In this video, I would explain to you 10 ways to manage conflict in a relationship. Try to watch this video to the end, because I have a bonus tips for you towards the end of this video. Conflict is a normal part of any relationship, but it's how you handle it that matters. Don't dwell on who's right or wrong. Instead, work together to find a solution that works for both of you. Here are 10 ways to manage conflict in a relationship. Number 1. Practice active listening. Communication is key in any relationship, and especially during conflict. Active listening involves truly paying attention to your partner and understanding their perspective. This means putting away distractions, making eye contact, and summarizing what you've heard to ensure you're both on the same page. Number 2. Focus on I statements. When expressing frustrations, using I statements can help avoid accusatory language and keep the focus on your feelings. For example, instead of saying you never help around the house, try feel overwhelmed with housework. Can we discuss ways to share the load? Before we move to the third sign, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. It doesn't cost any money. Please do this to support us. Thanks. As you do so, let's continue. Number 3. Take timeouts. If emotions are running high, it's okay to take a break from the conversation. This allows both of you to cool down and approach the issue with a calmer mind. When taking a break, discuss a time frame for resuming the conversation to avoid leaving things unresolved. Number 4. Validate your partner's feelings. Even if you disagree with your partner's perspective, acknowledge their feelings. Let them know you understand why they feel the way they do. This validation can help them feel heard and respected, creating a more conducive environment for resolving the conflict. Number 5. Focus on problem solving, not winning. A productive conflict resolution should be focused on finding a solution that works for both partners, not about proving who's right or wrong. Approach the conversation with a collaborative spirit and a willingness to compromise. Number 6. Choose your battles. Not every disagreement needs to be a full-blown argument. Learn to identify issues worth fighting for and let go of minor things. Pick your battles wisely and focus on the things that truly matter in the relationship. Number 7. Be respectful, even when disagreeing. It's possible to disagree with someone while still treating them with respect. Avoid name-calling, insults, and personal attacks. Focus on the issue at hand and communicate your thoughts in a clear and respectful manner. Number 8. Don't bring up the past. Bringing up past arguments or mistakes during a current conflict only serves to escalate the situation. Stay focused on the present issue and avoid using past hurts as ammunition. Number 9. Be open to compromise. Finding common ground is essential in resolving conflict. Be open to compromise and consider your partner's needs and wants. Finding a solution that meets both of your needs can strengthen the relationship. Number 10. Seek professional help if needed. If you're struggling to manage conflict on your own, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist can provide guidance and tools for effective communication and conflict resolution. Now, the bonus tips. Point 1. Validate your partner's feelings. Even if you don't agree with their perspective, acknowledge their emotions and let them know that their feelings are valid. Point 2. Practice empathy. Try to see the situation from your partner's point of view and understand why they might be feeling the way they do. Point 3. Celebrate your successes. Take the time to acknowledge and appreciate it when you're able to resolve a conflict in a healthy way. Point 4. Be flexible and willing to change. Be open to the possibility that you might need to change your behavior or perspective in order to resolve the conflict. Remember, conflict can be an opportunity to grow closer as a couple. By following these tips, you can learn to navigate disagreements in a healthy and productive way. I believe your home can be a place where people feel like they belong. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. See you in our next video.